Good evening, everyone. It is my great pleasure to welcome you all to the presentation of the Annual Report 2025-2026 of St. Joseph's Nursery School, Pushpagiri. I am honored to share this report with the audience Blossom 2K26. Inspired by the values of a student-friendly environment, hard work, care and compassion values deeply rooted in St. Joseph's High School. Our nursery school has truly thrived this year. Historical context. 51 years ago, the Thaliparamba region was a landscape of dense forests and barren rocky land. It is a historical reality that the establishment of St. Joseph's High School in Pushpagiri provided the momentum for Thaliparamba to transform into the vibrant heart of the Kannur district. Goal and mission. The goal of the FCC in education is to provide a value-based education that integrates academic excellence with spiritual maturity. We aim to mold students into intellectually competent, morally upright, and socially committed individuals. Our mission is to nurture students in faith and gospel values through holistic development, empowering them to face today's challenges. Infrastructure and leadership. I am proud to highlight the success of last year's Jubilee celebration and the excellent utility of our open auditorium. For this, I congratulate Reverend Sister Anjali, our Provincial Superior, Reverend Sister Maria Tom, former principal, and their team. This year, our nursery school has shone brightly with a positive atmosphere and picturesque surroundings. Sister Shanti, who took charge as headmistress this year, is the pride of the Franciscan Clarist congregation. Through her unique leadership, she has secured a place in the hearts of students, parents, and teachers in a very short time. Along with the high school, she devotes significant attention to the excellence of this KG unit. We also recognize Mrs. Sharon Clayeta, in charge of this wing. Her dedication and compassion are vital to our success. I am also deeply grateful to Mrs. Mini KV, Mrs. Gopika Anil, Mrs. Sajita KV, Mrs. Sini Saji, and Mrs. Sati P. You have been kind and courageous guides, helping our children grow into wonderful individuals. Student development milestones. By the by, we have observed remarkable social and emotional growth in our students, specifically emotional independence. Children now transition into the school day with confidence and ease. Social harmony, moving from a mine mentality to the ability to share and take turns. Emotional regulation, learning to express feelings through words rather than physical reactions. Cognitive foundations, identifying basic shapes, primary colors, and early literacy. Physical coordination, showing significant growth in motor skills and overall health. Highlights of the year. I am proud to mention the milestones through which our 127 kids walked through. Grand opening ceremony and arts and sports fests. Celebrations of Onam, Children's Day and Christmas. Educational study tours and award ceremonies. Enhanced learning through smart classrooms and specialized teacher sessions. Extracurriculars, skating, classical dance and cinematic dance. Creative outlets like drawing, coloring and the Windmaster program. A focus on learning through play and gentle counseling healthcare programs. Conclusion and gratitude. As we reflect on the 2025-2026 academic year, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to everyone who worked tirelessly for the betterment of St. Joseph's Nursery School. We especially thank our extracurricular teachers and the parents who hold this institution close to their hearts. We extend our thanks to our respected headmistress and all the teachers of St. Joseph's High School. Our sincere thanks go to Reverend Sister Beena James and the Sisters of Holy Angels Convent. We also express deep appreciation to the management and the Provincial Council, led by Reverend Sister Anjali, for their visionary leadership. With these words of gratitude, I humbly submit this report for your approval. Yours faithfully, Sister Jessie Joss, FCC, Principal, St. Joseph's Nursery School, Pushpagiri.